Hello, my name is Rastilani. Class A Study Program Information System. Okay, in this video I will summarize a film entitled Synopsis of the Pirates of Silicon Valley film. This film, we can be called a semi-documentary, tell the story of competition at the beginning of the two world-renowned computer corporations, namely Apple and Microsoft. Steve Jobs is described as someone who is artistic, rebellious, has high ideals, is a perfectionist, and is very unhappy when his plans or opinions are opposed. The young who was in the psychedelic era of the early 70s, like most people of his time, often acted crazy and used acid, a popular illegal drug at the time. And one more thing, he really hated IBM, which at that time was again computer company. Meanwhile, Sonia Kolekwe was a commerce person who became a king of women from Jobs, who always looked after and backup of Jobs. Is he had gone too far, they began to build Apple computer in the garage of the house. On the other hand, there is Bill Gates, who has been interested in computer program since high school and often he deals with the system, one of which is bringing the attendance system so that he can place him in a class with beautiful students. Together with Paul Allen, they believe that the future is software. Bill Gates even dropped out of college and Harvard to set up his own software company. Okay, review film The Pirates of Silicon Valley. If you are computer users, especially an IT student, then you must watch this film. Or you are a businessman, then look at how Bill Gates can become rich overnight, even with a little trick. Look at how he approached Steve Jobs and earned his trust. In this film, you will read how the early days of PC development. Of course, the form of the PC is not like the PC that exists today. In the early days, computers were mostly boxy with slide components and legs and no monitors. It was only when Apple introduced the graphical user interface the PC era began. In this film, you will also see how the hustleness of the officials of big companies at that time were looked at the engineers who created a tool called the mouse we always use today. Also, how big companies look at the idea that computers can be used by ordinary people. Because at that time, computers were only used by companies, this gap is used by Apple to read it well. Does it sound boring? Trust me, absolutely not, because this film is equipped with stories from each individual with problems and also the silliness of Jobs' weekend and Bill Gates when they were new. Noah will play the role of the Steve Jobs with Will, but credit must go to Anthony Michael Hall, who plays Bill Gates. Like Gates, Anthony is a geek who likes to play poker and is awkward in form of moment, but when he is focused and knows what he wants, then he can seem scary. Actually, we want to explain why this film is called Pirates of Silicon Valley, but it will be up later, so you better pay close attention to your PC now. Then we switch to DVD and with Pirates of Silicon Valley and how the PC era was born. Maybe that more or less enough, and thank you.